In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a steering angle sensor adjustment on a 2014 Nissan Sentra using the X-431 Throttle. First select Nissan. To confirm the software, select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm van and select OK. Select automatic selection, confirm van, model, year and select OK. Select system selection. Select ABS. System info, select OK. Select special function. Select street angle sensor adjustment. A system info screen will give you instructions *, please follow * and select OK. Select start. Once completed, select OK. And that's how you perform a steering angle sensor adjustment on a 2014 Nissan Sentra.